You all get it. Remember, I just made episode 2 hours ago. Just 2 hours. Why don't play this game? Why I want to play this game? Come. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? I'm scared. Why is not coming? Why do I? What do you have to play this stupid game? Come on. Come on. Let's play. Oh.
Hurry up before the teacher comes. Do it on your own. I always let you copy mine, huh? What are you talking about? You're making things up. Just give it to me, man. Here you go, thanks. See how helpful? Oh, no.
I'm calling your parents.
Actually, my parents are busy, so they can't make it.
I see okay then.
It actually worked nice.
And I'll do a home visit one.
Mom, Dad, is anyone home?
No one home?
Thank God.
I will let you know.
I want to get rid of her somehow. Idea. Here you go, teacher.
What are you doing?
I'm so sorry.
My clothes are ruined now.
You can borrow mine then.
Fine, I'll leave for now.
Okay. Oh no. What the heck is going on here? Liam, you brought your girlfriend home. No, she is my teacher. Since when do teachers wear students' clothes?
It was an accident. You spilled milk on me.
What? Honey, cancel your plans. You... What? Bro, quick.
Oh, what's just 1 pixel left? 1 pixel.
You rat. I always let you copy mine, huh? What are you
Wait,
talking
what?
about? You're making...
I don't know what to. The second one is turn on play a certain song. I don't know what certain song, but I will just say a secret code. I'm just using that for this. I don't want to add. I am just. I can draw my. I'm making things roots and flow it out from the wind on the inside the wind. The stupid ad always wins. I want a stupid ad. We don't need any ad. Ads are like enemies. They're like giant enemies. Oh, let's get on the game. I have to remove the camera. Hey guys, what camera? And you guys say, what camera? I'm saying that this camera. I don't know. Use my camera. So my phone's camera. My phone's camera is my only camera. Oh my. I'm not taking my street dead for a reason. Oh, it was fake. That's why I wasted so many minutes. The stairs.
If you look closely at elevator buttons, you might notice something strange. It goes 11, 12, then suddenly 14. Wait, 13. Did the building forget how to count? The real reason is actually pretty ridiculous. I'll explain, but first, if you love money more than your mom, ignore
I don't want to pay so much.
more than money in life. Subscribe, share, and comment. I love you, Mom. In many Western cultures, 13 is considered unlucky, so builders skip labeling the 13th floor. Even today, many buildings still follow this tradition. Funny part, the 13th floor still exists. It's just labeled 14 instead. You ever notice this before? If you look closely at elevator buttons, you might notice something strange.
Oh yeah, I just see it. This button. What? Wait a minute. What's that? Is it a secret code? XACDD. XACDD. F no. F and A C D D. Right? Oh, I got it. That actually looks like the oven.
Is the one no thief could ever find. And even if someone somehow manages to open it by mistake, they'll find another gate inside. And inside that gate, yet another gate. And behind that one,
Let's see how many balloons we have to pop.
Still never
5. Oh, 5. What? 6 or 7? 6, 7. 6, 27, 7, I'm still saying 6, 7. Get up here, 67.
by a simple helmet. Even though all of them technically have the same healing factor, their brains can't tolerate pain the way the main Deadpool's brain. You might have noticed that the main Deadpool was torn apart into pieces and still never passed out. No matter how badly he cut or ripped apart, his brain, arms, and legs function. But when you fight other Deadpool variants, you can clearly see a difference. Many of the other variants go down after just a few hits. For example, Lady Deadpool was taken down by Wolverine after just 2 attacks, and another Deadpool.
Stop. Oh. No, come on, no. So many seconds of time for a stupid game. Yeah, got 5. Oh, it's the first. The second. The second test. Get all the mouse pieces. Press the mouse here. Mousey. I don't know how I'm going to use, but maybe I should use a box. Listen. Just then let's all be cool money. Shut up, dude. Now, out now.
Why does Man Ray have Patrick's ID inside his wallet? You see, in the episode Delivery of Duke, there's a quick scene where Man Ray opens his wallet. And if you look closer, you can actually see Patrick's ID inside it. So did Man Ray steal Patrick's identity? Not exactly. The truth goes back to Man Ray's very first appearance in Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy 3. In that episode, Man Ray asked
Why isn't it not?
to free him, but there was one condition. He had to prove that he could become good. So SpongeBob and Patrick decided to teach him how to be a good person. One of the tests was simple. Return a lost wallet. Patrick dropped his wallet.
Or just get a box. What kind of box? A long box. No, but this kind of film I like.
And even after he showed Patrick the ID inside the wallet, Patrick still claimed it wasn't his wallet.
Stop! Go quick! Quick! Go! Spring! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Why does Man Ray have Patrick's ID inside his wallet? You see, in the episode Delivery of Duke, there's a quick scene where Man Ray opens his wallet. And if you look closely, you can actually see Patrick's
box.
So did Man Ray steal Patrick's identity? Not
Okay,
exactly.
that's Gil again. That's Gil. But did you comment on my video? Please comment what I should name him, but I don't know what to name him. The robot, cause not my friend Gil. I just named him the new game, a new name.
But here's the problem. Patrick kept saying it wasn't his wallet, even after Man Ray literally saw Patrick drop it, and even after he showed Patrick the ID inside the wallet, Patrick still claimed it wasn't his wallet. That moment made Man Ray completely lose his mind and fail the test. Since Patrick never took the wallet back, it looks like Man Ray just kept it. What do you think? Why does Man Ray have Patrick's ID inside his wallet? You see, in the episode Delivery of Duke, there's a quick scene where Man Ray opens his wallet. And if you look closely, you can actually see Patrick's inside. So did Man Ray steal Patrick's identity? Not exactly. The truth goes back to Man Ray's very first in that episode,
That's so cool.
but there was one condition. He had to prove that he could become good. So
What?
Patrick decided
What
to
the?
teach him how to be a good person. One of the tests was simple.
Blueberry. Or I don't know what to name that. I'm just naming him fruits. No. Did I lose?
Where he literally saw Patrick drop it, and even after he showed Patrick the ID inside the wallet.
I got it! Yeah! I thought I was going. This is the most scary second over in my whole life. My scariest seconds. I thought I was going to lose. The final one is doing now. But this is going to be very fun. Only audio. This is the final second. Oh my god. On this video. With me. Because this video is going to be not. What? I'm not wasting my whole life savings on my board. I think it's for an ad because I don't want any ads on my way. Yes, final test. Final test now. The final test. But why did I just do it? It says go up. I only what's that? Oh, but that's the club. I don't know. I'm thinking something is strange with that clock. I'm feeling something secret inside that clock. But end of the video because there's too many tests I did. But end of the video, bye guys. Bye bye. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye.